Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of military technology with a twist. We're talking cutting edge, next level, stuff they don't even want you to know about. We're talking about AI so secretive, so advanced. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. This isn't some futuristic fantasy, this is the reality of modern warfare. Get ready to have your minds blown as we unveil 10 secret AI weapons you never knew existed. Let's get started.
All right, let's kick things off with something truly next-level autonomous combat drones. I'm not talking about your everyday remotely piloted drones. I'm talking about drones that can operate completely independently, making real-time decisions on the battlefield without any human intervention. We're talking advanced algorithms, machine learning, and the ability to adapt to changing situations on the fly. Think about that for a second. These drones are like something out of Terminator, but they're real and they're changing the game of warfare.
Next up, we're talking about AI-powered surveillance. Imagine a system so sophisticated that it can analyze massive amounts of data from countless sources, satellites, cameras, sensors, you name it. Now, imagine that this system can then identify potential threats in real time, way before any human analyst could even process that much information. That's the power of AI-powered surveillance. It's like having a sixth sense, a digital guardian angel watching over everything.
We've all seen missiles in movies, but get ready for this: smart missiles. These aren't your granddad's missiles that just follow a straight trajectory. We're talking missiles embedded with AI that allows them to change their path, adjust their trajectory, and even select new targets mid-flight. Imagine a missile that can literally think for itself, outmaneuvering defenses and hitting its target with pinpoint accuracy, no matter what obstacles are in its way.
This one's straight out of science fiction robotic soldiers. These aren't just remote-controlled robots, these are AI-controlled machines designed for direct combat situations. They can be equipped with an array of weapons, from guns to grenades, and they can operate autonomously, making decisions based on their programming and the situation at hand. It's a terrifying thought, but the future of warfare might be fought by machines.
Chapter 7: An Impenetrable Shield AI-Powered Defense Systems. Imagine a defense system so advanced that it can detect, track, and